I did a video recently of their all-in-one tool with the circuit breaker finder and the outlet tester and stuff. But this one came in handy yesterday and kind of saved me. I had an issue. I came into the home. There was no power for half of it. There was power in other parts. Things weren't working. I decided to start checking outlets. I put this in here. I put it in this outlet and it was telling me I had like 79 and 80 volts. So like nothing was working. Luckily we found that the issue was the power coming in from the meter and they got it fixed less than 24 hours later. But let me go ahead and show you how this works, how I was using it. So you got your power button right here. You're gonna just power that on. And all you have to do is just plug it into an outlet. So with that, you can check your outlet. So right now we are fluctuating between 118 and 121. I know I do have some, and 123, I do have some things going on, but this makes it easy to know how many volts are coming into your outlet and if you're getting enough voltage. Also, you will have the green light here. Now, another cool thing that you could do is that you could actually connect this to a GFCI outlet. And you can test the outlet to make sure that it's working. You can do everything right here from this tool. And so let me go ahead and plug this in. It's going to let us know what our voltage is. We already did that. Now to test your GFCI, there is a test button. You're just going to press and hold it. And it's going to pop your outlet. I don't know how it does it, but it will pop your outlet. You'll find out that it actually works and everything. And it will say pass right here on the outlet tool. Anyway, this is a really good tool to have. It definitely saved my butt. I'm glad that I do have one these days. I was able to see that low voltage. I was able to get people out here and get things fixed. But it's also great for if you're trying to just work on stuff and you want to make sure that your outlet's dead, you can stick this in, be able to see that it has no voltage, and then you can go to work on it. But if you're looking for a really good outlet tester, this one is from Kaiweets, and it definitely saved my butt yesterday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.